It's so hot out here. Sucks we can't go to the school and drink some water from one of their water fountains.
Not so fast.
Oh boy, it is good to be back.
We're back.
And this time, we're not in James River.
Instead, we're here at the swamp.
You can't keep us away.
The birthplace of the rapids.
So the location's pretty good at the swamp. There are tons of fans here all the time cheering for all of our sports teams. So a lot of people come to use this fountain.
If you're standing at a football game, being in the crowd, you're really sweaty, so it's really easy to just come over, take a drink.
There was once upon a time in which I dragged my foot too long on the hard surface floor, so I had to meet the school nurse out here, and she was wearing the James River mascot uniform. Then I saw her bathing under the spigot, and I said, wow, that is just a great way and great location to get water.
Indeed.
Let's try it out.
Man, that was pretty fun.
Next up, we have Flo.
The flow, as you can see here, starts out small, but as you keep turning, oh, here she comes, it keeps going.
Wow, that thing is like Niagara on steroids. Now, for the temperatura.
The temperature here is quite warm if you're looking for an everyday drink, but if you're going for a special swim, it's pretty nice.
In terms of degrees, yeah, just about there. So, turning it over to, yeah, that's about it for me.
Personally, I'm a lifeguard, so I'm around pools a lot. If I had to relate this to a pool at ACAC, I would say it's about the warm water pool, kept at 96 degrees Fahrenheit Celsius temperature.
There we go.
Spoken from the expert.
Thank you for that word from our corporate sponsor, Nicki Minaj. She wants us to reveal how the water tastes. After that tasty full experiences from my sinuses and my tonsils, pretty good water.
I think there's only one thing left. Let's get into the review.
For the location, we have to give it a 4. You cannot get a water fountain with a better view than this one.
Come on.
Let's go.
Come on.
Let's go. Look.
Oh my.
Whoa. Oh my.
Oh.
What? What?
Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Now, let's get into the taste. After undergoing further evaluation, we tasted again and decided that it's about a 3.
Yeah, the taste is pretty neutral. So, 3.
No spark, no sparkle. Let's not add that part. Man, you know what my favorite figurative language is? Alliteration. Temperature is a 2.
Thanks, Mr. Barnes. This is a very versatile water fountain when it comes to flow. You can adjust it high, but you can also adjust it low, which is bad. You never want a low flowing water fountain. That's a 4 for score.
4 score and 7 years ago. Final score, 13 out of 20.